Hey, it's Rob O'Malley again, and we are live here at the ZTE display at CES 2018, and I am here with the CEO of ZTE Mobile Devices, Mr. Li-Shin Chung. How are you, sir?
Very good. Nice to see you again.
It's great to be. Thank you for having me again. Now, we've got the Axon M. Tell us a little bit about the Axon M and what it means as far as innovation looking forward in ZTE.
So Axon M is the first foldable smartphone, and it has been long waiting for about a decade. As you know, about actually 11 years ago today, Steve Jobs announced the first generation iPhone. So at that time, a lot of people say, what's going on, so this is things completely different, it's strange. But now, 11 years back, when you're looking at the significance of the first generation of iPhone, it's really started the decade of innovation in the smartphone. But during the last 10 years, the innovation in the industry is stalled because people are focused on the iteration instead of innovation. So instead of trying to focus on what is really the challenge of the consumers as you challenge every day for your life when it's using the mobile-centric life, and then focus on the 0.1 millimeter bezel-less or couple of megapixel camera. So, but they forgot, now the whole life is packed in this mobile phone. So you want a bigger. But current form factor has a limitation. That's why we did so much research, goes into you as consumers to understand what you want, and go into the industry, to the ecosystem to find out what is available. So we be able to pack the latest technology with your demand at the right time here, with the support from the 4G LTE network. Going forward, we're going to commit to evolve this product line. We're going to continue to launch many more generations about this fold smartphone category. So we're also going to make the software update more frankly to support your current generation of hardware. The hardware platform, the screen and display technology is going to continue to evolve. So the software we're going to support the future generation with also backward compatible with today's hardware.
That's amazing. So I love what you said. You're not just redesigning the smartphone, you're redefining it. You're coming up with something new, and I was over there looking at it, and it is amazing. You can fold it in half, use it just as a normal smartphone, and you mentioned megapixels, and you're like, well, everyone's talking about megapixels. The Axon M has a 20 megapixel camera in the front and the rear. That's pretty amazing, and it does so many amazing things. Talk about what it can do with the apps, running two different apps at once, and talk about your favorite apps if you can.
So the tagline for the Axon M is dual screens, unlimited potential. It's actually like you, the consumers, you can put whatever favorite apps on it on the same times or switch between A and B mode, or you're going to have extended big mode like a pad, and you can fold it in your pocket. So for me, I love to, because I have to read news. So Wall Street Journal is a must read every day for me. So now when I read Wall Street Journal on my smartphone, it's like reading the newspaper on my palm. So I think that's great. And as you know, I'm trying to also engage with you guys, consumers through Twitter. So that is also the app I'm using that. It's fantastic because it's a lot of real estate. So that is the things. I think your imagination, so you may have a social media on one, and then you have a gaming on another. You don't miss anything. And or you can have, video streaming for your favorite NBA team, Golden State Warriors, and then you can also watch Knicks on another screen. So simultaneously. So again, the imagination is only a limit. So you can do a lot of things together. Unlimited potential.
Unlimited, I love that. So I could literally watch the New York Knicks on one screen, the Houston Rockets on the other screen. When those games are over, I could watch Golden State Warriors, then I could watch the Chicago Bulls.
Oh, or you can watch the Alabama and the Georgia college football one and the NBA another.
Yeah, hey, that's great, and that is innovation. Like you said, we're not just redesigning the smartphone, you're redefining it. So what would you like to say out there to the ZTE community and the customers and the fans? What do we have in store looking forward on to 2019 and beyond?
So I will have to tell you, ZTE fans, So you are the person, you are the reason I get excited every day, because I want to make sure you guys are happy, and we make sure what you want get attention to, and also we invest resource to make sure they deliver it to you. So please don't be shy. So speak out to tell your friends why you like ZTE, why you choose ZTE products. And meanwhile, you also tell us what you want more from us. I guarantee your satisfaction is my goal.
That is amazing. Well, thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate your time. Again, you can follow him on Twitter. What is your Twitter again?
CLXLA.
There you go, fans. Follow him on Twitter. Get up-to-the-minute updates from the CEO of ZTE Mobile Devices itself. There you go. That's all our time right now. I'm Rob O'Malley. This is Mr. Li-Shin Chung here, the CEO at ZTE. Follow us all week for great updates live from CES 2018.